Pilates emphasizes control, coordination, and stability. When you think about Pilates, think long and strong muscles. Because of its focus on posture, flexibility, core strength, and breathing, a regular Pilates practice can help you get stronger from the core outward. It can help you feel more energized, and it can even make it easier to perform the movements and tasks in your daily life, with the added bonus of being easy on your joints. If you'd like to explore more ways to stay strong and healthy, I invite you to go to SilverSneakers.com and do a quick eligibility check. If you qualify for the SilverSneakers benefit, you'll be able to attend our live SilverSneakers classes at no extra cost to you. For more information, click on the first link in the description box below, right after this energizing 10-minute Pilates practice. Today, I'm using a small, unweighted child's play ball. Slightly flat is really the best, but if you don't have a SilverSneakers ball, that's okay. You can do this workout without it, or you can use a rolled up towel or a blanket in place of the ball. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. I'm gonna perform today's Pilates workout on the floor on a mat, but you can definitely do this workout on the couch or even in your bed. So let's get started. We'll start with the ball between your thighs. Lifting your chest, sit up nice and tall, engaging your core. Inhale through your nose, and then let's exhale through the mouth, dropping your belly closer to your spine. Give the ball a squeeze, maybe a 50% squeeze. And then inhale and sit up tall. Exhale, round into the letter C. So allow your back to get round as you drop your belly like the bowl of a spoon. Inhale, squeeze the ball a little more, and lift, unfurl your spine. And then round. Moving with the breath. Inhale and lift. Exhale and round. Now I'm supporting right now on my thighs as I gently squeeze the ball for a little extra engagement in my inner thighs and in my core. You can release your arms and round for a little bit more sensation, and just round down until it starts to get hard. It doesn't have to be too far. Squeeze the ball and lift, inhaling. Let's try that again. 2 more times, your choice, supported or unsupported. Relaxing your jaw, inhale. Last time. Lift, and then relax. So how do you feel? How's your back? How is your core? Round, and let's come all the way down to the mat. You can walk your hands down, or you can extend and round. You choose. Slowly come to the mat. 1 vertebra at a time, articulating onto the mat. And then walk your feet a little closer to your hips, untucking your lower back. Tuck your shoulders under. And then let's put the ball aside for just a moment as we lift the right leg to tabletop. So a 90-degree angle in the hip and about a 90-degree angle in the knee. Relax your feet. And let's touch this right foot down towards the floor. Use your core strength as you drop your belly to lift that leg back. And then let's place it on the floor. And we'll do it on the left. Tabletop. Open at the hip, not at the knee. Lift, use your core as you lengthen. Your lower back is neutral. It feels good. So you can continue to do this little marching movement side to side. Or I'll give you an intensity option. Let's finish the left side. Lengthening the back of the neck. So the next challenge, if you want a little bit more, would be to bring both legs to tabletop. Make sure you sink your abdominals and really support from the abdominals to the back as you drop one toe towards the floor. Doesn't need to touch. You notice mine didn't. So almost like you're trying to touch the top of a pool of water. Relax your jaw. Inhale and exhale. Let's try that again. So either option is good. The first option where one foot's on the floor, or this option where both legs are up. All right, bring your knees to your chest. Give yourself a little break, a little stretch. And then we'll take the ball again and place it between the thighs. Give the ball a squeeze so it's between your knees and your hips. Untuck your lower back. Squeezing the ball gently. Let's tip and tuck the pelvis. So tuck the tailbone under and flatten your waist against the floor. And then let's give it a little arch. And this is your pain-free range. You can explore the tip and the tuck and warm up. Now tuck under, and we'll do a rolling bridge. As you push down through the four corners of the feet, lift to the point where you feel the back of your body, your posterior kinetic chain is engaged. The top is long. And then let's articulate each vertebra into the mat as we roll back down, squeezing the ball on the way up. Go at your pace, might be slower than mine or faster than mine. And move with the breath. Exhale up and inhale down. The ball should really help you engage your inner thighs. Now let me give you an intensity option. So lift up and hold, coming onto the right toes. Squeeze the ball and then hover the right foot or extend the right leg. And then let's go down and up. Down and up. That's it. Remember, this foot can be on the floor or it can be extended. 2 more times. Last one, unclench your jaw, lift. Toe to heel rolls back onto the mat and then come down. Hinge down. Lift, squeezing the ball, come to the left toes. Or hover, or extend. And let's go down and up. Breathing, exhale up. A couple more. One more, lift. And then bring the toes, roll down to the heel, coming all the way down. Now put the ball to the side for a moment and just draw your knees into the chest. You can rock side to side, or you can draw a circle with your knees. Just make sure it feels good. All right, the ball goes between your thighs again, and we'll come back to tabletop. Hands come out away from the hips a little bit more for a wider base of support. And as you squeeze the ball, make sure your shoulder blades are tucked under and your neck feels long. Let's tip to the right. So tip to the right, keep the left shoulder down, squeeze the ball, and let's come back up. Let's do the other side. Inhale and exhale. So only go so far that you feel your core engage, everything feels good, and the shoulder stays down. Breathe. So feel long from the bottom of your ribs to your pelvis, and very supported. And then bring the feet down. Let's put the ball to the side. Rolling over to the side, use your top hand to lift up. And we'll come on to your belly to finish up. Come all the way down to the mat. And then your hands come out, kind of a goalpost arm here. Lengthening the back of the neck, press the tops of the feet into the floor gently and engage your derriere muscles, your gluteals. Inhale without pushing on the hands or the forearms, peel your chest up and think about extending the upper back, not the lower back. And let's come back down. Gently press into the floor. Engage your gluteals, peeling your chest up, articulate your upper back, and if you'd like, you can lift those hands up off the floor. Just make sure you're not pushing on your lower back. Let's do 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Take your time. Last one. Inhale. Hold. And then exhale. Come down. Lifting back up. We'll take just a moment to stretch, either in child's pose or in a puppy pose, where your head comes down on your hands, on your fists. You choose which stretch feels best to you to end off this Pilates session. So how do you feel? I hope you were able to feel your muscles work hard with no pain in your back or joints. I would suggest doing a Pilates style workout at least twice a week, increasing your range of motion and level of challenge as you get stronger and more focused. Stay strong, and don't forget to check out our live classes at the link below.